again to my channel. Waray Waray Glim in Germany. Waray Waray Vlog in Germany. So today I want to unbox this one. I ordered in Amazon, and this is this one. See guys? Paano ba yun? That's what I ordered. So I am going to unbox this one. So I am excited. Okay. So let's see what's inside. This tripod I paid around 33 euro. 33 euro, and the delivery was very fast. Guys, I want to speak in English so that everybody happy, so that everybody can understand my vlog. So I will try my best to speak in English. So take a look guys. Here it is. So that's the company name or the brand name, Atumtek. So here we are. So okay, there's the manual. And this is my tripod. Okay. So it's a tripod Bluetooth guys. So this warning, it says fully pull out or push back the stick to open and close tripod instead of operating the 3 legs. So we have to remove this one. Ching! So we have to remove this one. And this is the feet. Tama ba? I don't know. So guys, so we have to, ano ba yun? Anuhin natin? We have to show it, showcase. So dismantle. We have to dismantle this tripod. So I will show you. First, we have to remove this one. You can just pull it out, something like that. And if you want to charge, also this is rechargeable. There's a cable here, and this here is the charger here. You can just put it here. You can wait, just like that, and then you can charge it in your computer. Okay. So we have to open this. Just pull out the feet. Of the feet. Yes. So this one you have to pull it out also. Pull it out. So you see guys. And then I will show you also. See guys, my cell phone had gummy. Gummy auf Deutsch. So there's a gummy, and we only have to. You can also put your cell phone without removing the gummy. So you can just pull it here, and you can also turn your cell phone like this, and here you can resize. You can move this one you can move this here. So you see, you can also move like this and like that, and if you want to take a video, you can just, sorry, we have to remove, you can just remove like that. Yay, it's pretty stable. You see, guys. So nice. You see, it's around, I pay around 33 euro in Amazon, and I think it's pretty good. The price is a little bit expensive, but I think the quality is good. So let's see in the future. So guys, I will also show you how to connect your Bluetooth, how to connect your tripod Bluetooth to your mobile. So you have to press this camera 3 seconds, and we have to wait when the when it's turned green. Okay, so it's green, so we have to go to our mobile and we have to go to our Bluetooth out, and we have to go to our Bluetooth, and the name of this tripod is Atumtek, so you have only to pair. So once it's paired, so you have to go done. Okay, so we have to try if the tripod is connected already to my camera. Okay, so when your camera is working, you will only click this camera button here. Okay. So guys, it's also the same if you also want to take a video on your camera using your iPad. So I will show you. So see, we are now in video. So we only have to click this button to take a video. So now we are capturing now a video. Nice. Okay, and then we have to stop, and then it stopped. Good. Okay, and this tripod is so light, very light. It's not so heavy, very light. And if you want, you can also make it smaller, and it's also to your handbag. It's very small. So I will recommend you, if you want to buy a tripod, I will recommend you this one. So it's very nice. It's very light and handy. Also, you can only put in your handbag. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy my unboxing vlog. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my vlog, my channel. Okay guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.